morning, friends. It is Running Kimono here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to save the most amount of money over at Walgreens, a store that a lot of you love to shop at, and you come here to learn how to save money over at Walgreens. So, this is somewhat newbie friendly, but if you are an experienced shopper, still some very good information provided. First thing I want to touch on is that when you're learning how to coupon at Walgreens, it can be very intimidating. And I will let you know there is no stupid question. Where you are standing, we all started there. It's not like in their app they say this is how you could save the maximum amount of money or everybody would be extreme couponing. So don't be shy to ask in the comments, if you have some burning questions or you're just not sure about something that we can see 1,000 times to a newer shopper might be like something they have no idea about. So don't be shy to ask. Knowledge is power. Second question I've been getting asked a lot this week is, what is a booster? Well, a booster is a store-based booster, like a value-based coupon that if you purchase a certain amount, you'll get a certain amount back. Hopefully that's clear as mud. The top one is a digital, 10 back when you spend 40. So I'd have to spend the minimum of $40 to get that $10 back. And the bottom one is a paper booster that came out of the Catalina machine. Typically these two stack, and it's a lottery. If you get them, the more that you shop on a single store card, the more that they'll try to entice you to get back in the store. Typically these show up anywhere from a Wednesday to a Saturday for the next week of shopping. Just always keep your eye out in your Walgreens digital account, or if you're in the store, is it printing yes or no? And this is the Catalina machine, typically found at the register, where the register rewards and the different Catalina and promotion information comes out. See that little green button at the very top? Make sure it's always on so these things are printing. Number 3, Walgreens Cash. This is their rewards system, and this was implemented a couple years back. And $1 is $1. It's no longer in points, but on the back end it is in points, which is kind of confusing. Anywho, if you are going to be earning this, some promotions are buy 2 items, get back 1,000 points. And then also the boosters that we were talking about earlier, spend 40, get back 10. Now you can use these right away after your transaction to buy items in the increments of $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, 10, 20, or 50. Keep those increments in mind. For example, if you bought something that was like $15, you could only use $10 in Walgreens Cash. So break it into 2 transactions, one for 10, one for 5. Now, from when you earn your Walgreens Cash, you have a year to use it. However, there's a stipulation. If you have 0 activity on your account, you don't go to the store for 6 months, they will take it back, or it's called forfeiting it. But you'll probably get an email saying like, hey, get back into the store to use your $5 in Walgreens Cash. But I think most of us watching this video go to the store quite often. Now, what is the difference between a store register reward and a manufacturer? The one on the top is a manufacturer, and you can actually use this in concert with one of those boosters, like a 10 back when you spend 40. Use this to get your balance a lot less. A store coupon is to be used like Walgreens Cash. If you try to use this with a booster, it's going to make a $40 basket $35 with that $5 store coupon. The devil is in the details over there. Now, what is the difference between an IVC and a manufacturer coupon? IVC stands for Instant Value Coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon. This is an IVC, and anytime that you see it in the app where it says with my Walgreens, you know it's an IVC coupon. That you compare with the manufacturer. And if you look down below where the red arrow is, see how it says manufacturer? That's how you can tell the difference. IVC will always say with my Walgreens, and then manufacturer, pretty evident. And if you've watched any of my Monday videos doing curbside offers, you can actually pair these two. And that is one unique thing about Walgreens, that you can throw a manufacturer and an IVC to have even bigger savings. As per the policy over at Walgreens, yes, you can price match. So what you'd have to do is look up your local store with the zip. And if there is a cheaper item, the employees, as per their website, they have to honor at least one Some stores will only do one. Some stores will do more than the one. But it is in their policy that they have to price match their online to in-store. And the final question is about seasonal merchandise. So right now, Christmas stuff is 80% off. And the question is, when is it going to go 90? Over at Walgreens, it doesn't go past 80%. Essentially, what happens, guys, is towards the end of the week, they'll have the 80% for 1 week. And Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, the employees will start boxing it off. They'll send it back to head office where it gets auctioned off to people that have larger stores that buy seasonal shelf pulls. Hopefully, this video has been somewhat informative. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.